Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ashish Kant Chaudhary. Today's presentation topic is TriFed, Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited. It is covered under Module 5, Lecture number 1. Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India Limited, जिसे आमतौर पर ट्राइफेड के रूप में जाना जाता है, भारतीय सरकार के अधीन एक ऐसा संगठन है जो आदिवासियों के विकास और कला उद्योग को प्रोत्साहित करने का काम करता है। यह 1987 में स्थापित किया गया था और इसका मुख्यालय नई दिल्ली में स्थित है। ट्राइफेड के कार्यक्षेत्र में आदिवासियों के विकास, प्रदेशों के अनुसूचित जनजातियों के संसाधनों का विकास, उनकी लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड में सुधार, उनके हैंडीक्राफ्ट, स्किल्ड जैसे इंडस्ट्री को प्रमोट करना और कलेक्ट करना या उनके प्रोडक्ट को मार्केटिंग में बढ़ावा देना, ये इसका मेन पर्पज़ है। ट्राइफेड के कार्य क्षेत्रों में उनके प्रोडक्शन को प्रमोट करना, उनके प्रोडक्शन को समर्थन देना, उनके प्रोडक्शन को ट्रेनिंग देना, ये सारे के सारे कार्य सम्मिलित है। इस तरह हम कह सकते हैं कि ट्राइफेड एक ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के विभिन्न डायमेंशन को सपोर्ट करता है। इन दिस पीपीटी we know meaning of the tribes. We know that TriFed is a federation that is supported by Indian government of India, and it is also helpful for the tribal societies, tribal product, tribal marketing. It is founded in 1987 under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. The mission is dedicated to the socio-economic development of tribal communities through marketing intervention. And TriFed main core objective is to empower tribal livelihood by facilitating the marketing and promotion of the indigenous tribal product. It means TriFed main object is to promote tribal indigenous product, and there is the wide scope related to the TriFed. With help of this organization, TriFed have a key initiative related to procurement, related to marketing, related to capacity building, and related to export promotion of the tribal product. It is a very significant for the society because it is the preserve the tribal culture, and it is also preserve different heritage, and it is also try to motivate society for the fostering sustainable livelihood. It means it is promote its slogan, empowering tribes, transforming life. Vision and mission. It is very broad vision and mission because it has TriFed has three important vision. First is empowerment, second is sustainable livelihood, and third is inclusive growth. In empowerment, it is try to enhancing economic opportunity and social well-being of tribal communities, and in sustainable livelihood, it is trying to ensuring long-term prosperity through economic activities, and third is inclusive growth. TriFed try to ensure equitable empowerment or equitable development beneficiate all segment of the tribal societies. There is the very wide mission related to the TriFed because it mission to create a vibrant ecosystem for marketing tribal product. With the help of the its mission, it is try to focus fostering dynamic marketing channel and supporting different infrastructure with the help of the ecosystem. And it is also focus on the preserving culture and heritage, because both are the important factor for the society. They are the upholding the rich cultural legacy of the tribal communities through sustainable practices. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ट्राइफेड के विजन और मिशन एक ऐसे दो ऑब्जेक्ट हैं जिसके सहारे आदिवासी समुदाय के सामृद्धिक, आर्थिक और सामाजिक विकास को सुनिश्चित करने के लिए विजन और मिशन को ध्यान में रखकर ट्राइफेड के ऑब्जेक्ट को फुलफिल किया जा सकता है. की फंक्शन ऑफ द ट्राइफेड. Starting, we also discuss there are the four important key functions of the TriFed, that is procurement, marketing, capacity building and export promotion. With the help of the procurement, which try to develop tribal sources directly from the tribal fields and directly from the tribal areas, and it is also ensuring fair prices and sustainable sourcing practices, because these procurement sources are the very helpful for the tribal societies. Marketing is also important key function, because with the help of the promoting tribal product through various channels like exhibition, like e-channels, by e-hearts, by different retail outlets, we promote tribal product in the society. With the help of these marketing, it is also create awareness about tribal culture, about heritage through different marketing campaign. Capacity building. Capacity building is an important key function of the TriFed, because capacity building provide training and skill development program to enhance the capability of tribal skilled persons, tribal craftsmanship or tribal producers. With the help of the capacity building, it is try to empowering tribal communities with knowledge and resource of sustainable livelihood. Export promotion. Facilitating the export of high quality product to the international market. With the help of the export promotion, we touch international marketing. हम कह सकते हैं ट्राइफेड के की फंक्शन को ध्यान में रखकर हम जो शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स के प्रोडक्ट हैं उनको प्रमोट कर सकते हैं. शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स के जो डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री छोटे छोटे हैं उनको प्रमोट कर सकते हैं. विद द हेल्प ऑफ द लीगल एंड डिफरेंट रेगुलेशंस वी कैन प्रमोट की फंक्शंस फॉर द ट्राइबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. इम्पैक्ट एरिया. ट्राइफेड का इम्पैक्ट क्या पड़ता है? ट्राइफल के द्वारा हम किन फील्ड में हैं जिनके कारण ये ट्राइबल मार्केटिंग को प्रमोट करता है? वी कैन से TriFed play a important role in uplifting the tribal communities, because it has a broad impact in society. First is the socio-economic empowerment of tribal communities. With the help of the TriFed, there is the lot of the changing in society. There are the lot of the programs for the society. There TriFed focus on the promoting empowerment among the tribal communities by different schemes, by different programs, by traditional skilled training program, and it is a TriFed is also try to generate sustainable incomes, try to reduce poverty, try to improving their standard of living with the help of the TriFed. it is also helpful for the skill development because TriFed is provided different training program and different initiative to development of the different skills. It is very helpful for the market access. With the object of the TriFed, you can go for the better access to the market in both field, raw material and मैन्युफैक्चर्ड मटेरियल, क्योंकि जो ट्राइबल सोसाइटी होती है उसमें रॉ मटेरियल भी बहुत इजीली मिल जाता है और जो प्रोडक्ट हम बनाते हैं उसको मार्केट में बेचने के डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस भी मिल सकते हैं. इट मीन्स इंश्योरिंग द TriFed different marketing options such as e-commerce platform, such as e-horts, such as the online channels, etc. It is also helpful for the cultural preservation. TriFed play a significant role preserving the rich culture heritage of tribal communities by promoting their traditional craft and art forms. It is also helpful for the sustainable development, and it is a very important impact for the society because by supporting initiatives such as organic farming and forest-based livelihoods, these two sustainable methods ensure the tribal communities can improve their society and they protect our environment. And every person interested in the both entrepreneurship. It is also helpful for the empowerment of tribal women. With the help of the TriFed, provided different types women centralized initiative such as FSG, such as different small program, such as provided different loan disbursement for the upliftment of the ladies. And last is, it is very impactful in the society related to the education and awareness. TriFed conduct awareness program and educational institute to inform tribal communities about their right, about their power, about their entitlement and available opportunity surrounding his environment. Tribal product portfolio. Which type products are covered by the TriFed? We can say there is a lot of the opportunity in the tribal society because TriFed, the Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, have a diverse portfolio of tribal product. Sources are directly from the tribal communities and producers across the country. First is handicraft product. In handicraft product, there are the lot of the product जैसे wood craft, metal craft, bamboo और कैन प्रोडक्ट और स्टोन क्राफ्ट. ये जो सारे के सारे प्रोडक्ट होते हैं, दीज आर द वेरी पॉपुलर इन द सोसाइटी. अनदर इज हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट. हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल because and it would TriFed support traditional handloom product like tribal textiles. Tribal textiles means sari, shawl, stole, dupatta, fabric items. These are the very unique and these are the very special designs produced by the producers in the market. And natural fiber product is also very popular in the handloom products, and one is another that is natural product. Some persons are believing in and utilize natural product, and TriFed is also know this belief and value, and it is also promote the sale of natural product sources from tribal forest and farmers, including forest product like honey, shahad, herbal product, medicinal plant, and different are the small plants collected from the forest areas. And another is NTFP, non-timber forest product, like bamboo. We also have a small bamboos in our houses. Fruits, nuts, seeds, and other forest derived products, those are available easily in the forest areas. And another is natural product, organic farm product. These are the very popular last 5 to 10 years, because every person are interested in the organic farm produce. Third is very popular product portfolio, that is tribal art and culture. Trified have various tribal art forums and cultural artifacts, including painting, wall painting, standing painting, tribal jewelry. Tribal jewelry is very popular in present scenario, because it is 100% handmade product. Those are used in the metal, beds, shelves, and natural materials. One is tribal product is also very popular, that is personal care and wellness product. With the help of the natural product like herbal soap, herbal cosmetic product, herbal dye, Ayurvedic medicinal plant, these are the very popular tribal portfolio. Those are popular in marketing with the help of the Trifed. We can say with the help of e-commerce platform, with the help of the exhibition, with the help of the other platforms of the advertising, these are popular in the international market. Marketing initiative, government, and with the help of the Trifed, government also try to develop and initiate different type marketing optionals. Those are the very popular, and those are promote tribal handicraft and products. First point is e-commerce platform. E-commerce platform is a online marketplace and sell tribal product to a wider audience. हम सभी जानते हैं कि इस समय ई-कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि बहुत ही पॉपुलर है। अमेजन आप ले लीजिए, फ्लिपकार्ट ले लीजिए, ईबे ले लीजिए, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट आपको ट्राइबल से रिलेटेड चाहिए, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल ऑन ई-कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म. Social media campaigning. Social media campaigning like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Trifer can run targeted advertisement with the help of the social media campaigning, and it is also try to highlight the uniqueness and cultural significance of the tribal craft. Collaboration with relators. It is a important initiative part. Trifed could collaborate with retailers, chains and stores to promote our tribal products for the urban market, for the rural market, and for the urban consumers and for the rural consumers. Tribal festival and exhibition. With the help of the different NGOs, Trifed try to organize different tribal festival and exhibition in major cities. Could be try to promote different type products related to tribal marketing, and it is a good way to promote their product. Partnership with designers and brands. With the collaborating with designers and brands to create collection featuring tribal craftsmanship and uniqueness related product with the help of the Trifed. It is also organized for the marketing initiative, a seminar, educational workshop, etc. These places are the very helpful for the sustainable practices, also focus product quality improvement and try to adopt the different suggestions and different conclusions. It is very helpful in the digital marketing campaigning, utilizing digital marketing channel such as email, such as newsletter products, such as different blogs. It is very reachable to the another person, audience, and engage with the potential customers on a more personal level. By implementing the different marketing initiative, TriFed can promote tribal handicraft and products. It is also empowered tribal products and contribute to the socio-economic development of communities across the tribal areas. Collaboration and partnership. With the help of the TriFed, try to different collaboration and try to engage in different partnership, because it is very helpful promoting tribal handicraft and products. Here are the some potential collaboration opportunity for tribes. First is government agencies and ministry. Collaborating with various government agencies and ministries such as the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and the Ministry of Textiles can provide TriFed with additional resources, additional funding and policies support to the further improvement of its mission and its vision. Different types NGO and non-profit organization working in the field of the tribal development can helpful for the TriFed, क्योंकि it is not possible to TriFed reach every places. With the help of the NGO and non-profit organizations, we can develop joint initiative for skill development, capacity building and community empowerment program. It is also attached collaboration and partnership with the corporate sector, because these corporate sector provided different funding, different infrastructure support, and it is very assessed to attach with corporate network with the collaboration of the corporate sector. TriFed try to collaborate with the different academic institution, partnering with the academic institution and research organization can facilitate knowledge exchange, research, collaboration and different training program for tribal craftsmanship. It is also collaborate different international organizations such as United National Development Program or UNESCO can help TriFed gain access to global international market. It is also very helpful for the self-help group, because this group is very supporting for the reduction of poverty, for the improvement of the society, because this group is doing work on the grassroots level and it is also supporting different mechanism. One is very important industry, that is tourism industry. TriFed is also try to collaborate with partnership tourism industry, because partnering with the tourism industry to promote different tribal culture and heritage that create new opportunity, that create new option for the development of the society. Success story. TriFed development of the TriFed, there are the lot of the success story in the tribal areas. The Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India has several success story, and there are the several impact on tribal communities and the promotion of the tribal product. First point is empowerment of tribal craftsmanship with the help of the One Dhan Vikas Kendra. It is the very popular program that is established by the government and promoted by the TriFed. ये एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जिसके द्वारा जो ट्राइबल क्राफ्टमैन हैं या ट्राइबल कारीगर हैं उन लोगों का एम्पावरमेंट हुआ है, क्योंकि वो ट्रेडिशनल क्राफ्टमैनशिप को धीरे धीरे डेवलप कर रहे हैं और उसको मार्केट में लाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं. मार्केट access and expansion. With the help of the TriFed, by organizing exhibition, by organizing trade fair, and by organizing marketing campaigning. TriFed has helped tribal craftsmen for their product, for their different audience. Next is promotion of tribal culture and heritage. Best success story is the Adi Mahotsav, National Tribal Festival, that is promoted by the government and that is promoted by also TriFed. ये एक ऐसा फेस्टिवल है जिसमें ट्राइबल कल्चर और हेरिटेज को लाके दिखाया जाता है, वहाँ रखा जाता है ताकि सोसाइटी उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अडॉप्ट कर सके. नेक्स्ट इज सस्टेनेबल लाइवलीहुड एंड फॉरेस्ट कन्वर्सेशन. विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट एक्ट, with the help of the sustainability, TriFed also try to initiate different type sustainable development goal, try to protect forest sustainability with the help of the Wan Dhan Jan Yojana, encourage the value addition and sustainability harvesting of forest product. They promoting both economic growth and environmental sustainability. And last is the CSR. Different also TriFed try to promote National Award for Marketing Excellence and Golden Peacock Award for Corporate Social Responsibility. जो लोग ट्राइबल के इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए या ट्राइबल सोसाइटी में अच्छा काम करते हैं, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द CSR, TriFed उनको गोल्डन पिकॉक अवार्ड देने का प्रयास करता है और एक मैसेज देता है एम्पावरिंग ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज़ को. चैलेंज एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी. देयर आर द लॉट ऑफ द challenges and lot of the opportunities in the society. Limited market access, one of the primary challenges faced by the TriFed, because it has the limited access to mainstream market for tribal product. Second is quality standard. Maintaining consistent quality standard can be a important challenge, especially when dealing with the traditional tribal product that may vary in quality due to factors like weather conditions or traditional production method. क्योंकि उनकी वेदर कंडीशन के कारण उनको हम प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, या जो ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्शन मेथड होने के कारण वो प्रोडक्ट जो होता है वो केयर अधिक मांगता है, लेकिन क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड्स को मेंटेन नहीं कर पाते हैं ड्यू टू द lack of these reasons. Awareness and branding, it is also important challenge, क्योंकि पब्लिक को या सोसाइटी को उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में ज़्यादा मालूम नहीं होता है और उस प्रोडक्ट की ब्रांडिंग नहीं होती है. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, it is also a challenges that is very harmful for the society, because lack of access to modern technology also affect productivity and quality. Middleman exploitation, ट्राइबल एंड मेन स्ट्रीम के बीच में जो मिडिल मैन होते हैं उनके कारण बहुत सारा एक्सप्लॉयटेशन होता है, जिससे प्रोडक्ट की कास्ट बढ़ जाती है या वो प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आने से पहले ही ख़राब हो जाता है. तो जो मिडिल मैन एक्सप्लॉयटेशन है, दैट इज़ ए आल्सो वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट चैलेंज. बट इन चैलेंजों के अलावा बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, जो कि ऑर्गेनिक या हैंडमेड प्रोडक्ट होने के कारण इनका मार्केट में बहुत सारा डिमांड है. जैसे इट इज़ आल्सो लॉट ऑफ द कल्चरल हेरिटेज. विद द हेल्प ऑफ द ई-कॉमर्स एंड डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म वी आल्सो प्रमोट TriFed प्रोडक्ट, and with the help of the tourism industry, because tourism play important role to the attraction, to the development of the opportunity by promoting tribal arts, crafts and cultures. And it is also there is a lot of the opportunity in skill development and capacity building, because investing in skill development and capacity building program can enhance the quality of the product and empower tribal communities to become self-reliant. Last is government support. It is very necessary continue support from the government through policies, through subsidies and through different funding agencies. We can enable, develop new enterprise in the tribal societies. Future roadmap. There are the lot of the future roadmap. Developing a future roadmap for TriFed with the help of the involving strategy planning to address the challenges and leverage opportunity for the economic empowerment of tribal community. It is also expansion of marketing channel and outreach efforts. It is also focus on value addition and product diversification. It is our responsibility to develop new partnership and collaboration. Those are available in the market. It is very embracing technology for digital marketing and e-commerce. Those are very popular. Those promote the, build the brand building, build the skill development, promote the sustainability, promote the policy advocacy, also improve the institutional strengthness. In conclusion, we can say TriFed future map should focus on market expansion, technology adaptation, quality assurance, brand building, capacity building, sustainable development and policy. By implementing these type initiative in these areas, TriFed can enhance the livelihood of tribal craftsmanship, preserve their cultural heritage and contribute to inclusive growth through tribal region in India. हम ये कह सकते हैं जिस प्रकार मुख्यालय दिल्ली में है और इसके 13 रीजनल सेंटर हैं जो कि देश के विभिन्न स्थानों पर हैं और जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स के द्वारा सपोर्ट किया जा रहा है। और जैसे एक प्रोग्राम है संकल्प से सीधी, इट मीन विलेज एंड डिजिटल कनेक्ट ड्राइव. It is also launched by the government in 2021. That is very helpful for the tribal society. और क्योंकि ये इसके सहारे जो ट्राइफेड का विजन एंड मिशन है वो कंप्लीट हो रहा है। और हम कह सकते हैं कि जैसा कि रमेश चंद मीना की अध्यक्षता में बात हुई थी और उन्होंने ट्राइफेड के ऑब्जेक्ट को पूरा करने के लिए ऑनलाइन मंच पर देश के सभी इंडस्ट्री से और देश के सभी बिजनेसमैनों से रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि आप इसके कार्य को आगे बढ़ाने का प्रयास करें। नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग NSDFDC के बारे में पढ़ने का प्रयास करेंगे, जो कि एक अच्छा चैनल है, एक अच्छा प्रोग्राम है जो कि ट्राइबल मार्केटिंग को प्रमोट करता है। धन्यवाद।